I shoot video, and just simple video, nothing fancy. And here I am, we can go to the garden, share it to you. And it doesn't really need to have a great camera. Nothing fancy at all, just something to capture the moments, right? A simple iPhone, a Droid phone, whatever. This is a lemon tree. It started out real small, real skinny branches. Look how nice and thick that has gotten. Look how real thick that branch is. Oh man, I'm not cutting it. I'm just showing you. There are no blooms yet. It's watered. It just constantly keeps growing. This is a pepper plant. It's been with me for 3 years. Look at this. I got a pepper here. I got a pepper right behind there, big. I got another pepper there and another pepper. Man, they're red pepper. It just keeps on producing. I got even another pepper, and then I can keep on going. Look, a flower right there. Now, a storm did break the branch, and I got another pepper over here that I lost 3 or 4 of them. I'm not sure what color peppers these are, but there you go. Pepper, pepper, pepper. Ooh, definitely. It's an orange pepper plant. All right. So this is orange. I may just save that. We love orange. This is a pineapple. Let me just back up a little. This is a pineapple too. And this thing really grew. It's growing. And that's a puppy. How do you get puppies from a pineapple? Let it grow. Just let it grow. Look how thick this is, and look how tall it is. You think I'm going to get a pineapple this year? It's a year over. I don't see any pineapples inside, but it's continuing to grow. It's going to grow a little taller, and then a pineapple will shoot out. Now, here's some more peppers. Look at that bad boy. 3 peppers and a little one growing. You got flowers growing. And look at that. More flowers. So let's come over here. I need a free hand. I don't have a free hand. Because we're ready to pick a pepper. Oh yeah. Grab that pepper. Grab it. Cut it. There we go. Oh, the pepper could have gone one more day. Not at all. That is a pepper plant. Well, that pepper plant has seen its days. No more. Broccoli. And broccoli. I don't know if and when broccoli's ever going to produce. But there you have my update. Did I show you one more pepper? No, I'm having a little trouble with one plant, which I'll get to you. This is a pepper right here. I'm not sure what color it is, but it'll grow. But let me just point out one more thing. One member loves this plant. Now look at it. It's called the golden dewdrop. Golden geisha dewdrop. Look at the colors of the flowers. Now in the background over here, the apple, no way to revive this. It's on its way out. I tried. But in here, 40-year-old cactus. Yeah, we're growing a cactus. It takes a very long time. And that bad boy, you bet. I'm ready to take it out and let it grow more. It really grew up. It was like size of my thumb, and now it's bigger than my thumb. Well, never know when a green thumb comes about. Single-handedly, can I open it up? I don't think so, but it needs to get opened up. Let me put you down so you can see it. Here we go. Look at that bad boy. Look how nice that is. Oh yeah, it's just growing. It doesn't need any water. You just put the cover back on so the heat can get to it. Enjoy your harvest.